إلا الله محمد رسول الله أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله.
تكبير تكبير تكبير.
I bear witness
that there is no God except Allah,
that there is no God except Allah,
and that Muhammad,
peace and blessings be upon him, is
the last and final messenger.
messenger.
I believe in Allah, as by all of His names and His attributes. I accept all of His rulings. I testify with the tongue. And believe with the heart. I believe in Allah, and all of His angels, and all of His messengers, and all of His books. I believe in destiny, good and bad from Allah, and resurrection after death. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.